Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have seen Google ADK, Model Context Protocol and agents. This video is about agent types in Google Agent Development Kit. In ADK, all agents are built on powerful foundation, but they fall into three distinct categories, each suited for different tasks. First, we have LLM agent, the smallest but more dynamic. These agents use large language model to reason, plan and act in natural language workflows. Next are workflow agents. They are bigger and more structured. These control execution flow like running steps in sequence, in parallel or in loops. Finally, the most customizable custom agent. This gives you complete control over logic, tools and flows, allowing you to build anything from scratch. In the upcoming slides, we will break each of these down into code, examples and real use cases. Let's take a closer look at how these agents are structured within ADK. At the top, we have the base agent, the core foundation that all agents in ADK extend from. From this base, three specialized branches emerge. On the left, we have LLM base agent, like LLM agent, which are powered by large language model and support tool usage, memory transfer and reasoning. In the center, we have workflow agents, sequential agents, parallel agents and loop agents, which control how other agents are executed in order at the same time or in loops. And on the right, we have custom agent built by extending custom agent, giving you full control over logic, flow and data handling. These structures gives you the flexibility to build anything from smart single agents to sophisticated multi-steps workflows. So, what is an AI agent? AI agent is a self-contained execution unit designed to act autonomously to achieve specific goals. Agents can perform tasks, interact with the users, utilize external tools, and coordinate with the other agents. So, what exactly is an LLM agent mean? In the world of ADK, this is the thinking part of your application, the core brain that brings intelligence to your agent. LLM agents tap into the power of large language model to reason, make decisions, understand natural language and generate responses. But they don't stop there. They can also interact with the external tools, dynamically decide what actions to take. Unlike workflow or custom agent, the behavior of LLM agent is non-deterministic, which means each response might be different, depend on context and model output. It's flexible and powerful and essential for building agents that feel smart and natural. In ADK, to define agent identity, model and name are mandatory to specify here. We have used Gemini model. Next, guide the agent by specifying the instructions. Next, we are going to equip the agent using some tools. Here we have created Get Capital City tool. It has overridden the LLM knowledge with our own knowledge. For this demo, I have created AI agent for country information lookup. For that, I have created two agents, one tool-powered agent and a schema-powered agent. Tool-powered agents override LLM knowledge and schema-powered agent uses LLM knowledge. Tool-powered agent is useful when you want deterministic answers or access to dynamic data, APIs or business logic. Schema-powered agent is great when you want to enforce output format to return JSON for downstream use and it uses LLM knowledge. In this code, I have implemented the same agent concept we discussed in the slide starting with the tool-powered LLM agents. In the tool-powered agents, we defined a fixed set of countries and their capitals within a Python function. This means the LLM is restricted to only those hard-coded entries. If the user asks anything about the country that is not in the list, the agent won't be able to respond accurately. On the other hand, schema-powered agent leverages the full knowledge of the LLM. It can infer and return details for virtually any countries using its built-in understanding, no tools required. For the user interface, we have used Streamlit, which is provide a simple and interactive way to test both agent tools in the real time. After running the Streamlit, in the UI, we have the drop-down with the two agents which we have created. First, I am selecting the tool agent and giving the invitation as country. We are seeing the response from there. Next, I am selecting the schema agent, that is the structured agent, that also lists the country details. Next, I am entering India as a country. In the structured agent, we are going to get the response. Because we are not using any our specific tool agent, here in tool agent it says we are not aware of what is the response we need to give because we have not specified anything about India. So whatever the countries we have specified in the tool agent, only that we are going to get as a response. To summarize, we explored two powerful ways to use LLM agents in the ADK. Hope you are getting the concept now. So this is just the beginning. In the next video, we will dive into other agents like workflow agent and custom agent and see how this help orchestrate complex multi-step tasks. Stay tuned, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.